Okay, so this is the sign up page for the developer edition of Salesforce. It's a separate edition to the regular cloud Salesforce that you have, so you don't need a regular Salesforce account to actually sign up for the developer edition. Just allows you to sort of create a few more apps. You can get into a bit more specificity, a bit more code to create what it is that you want. So this is the actual sign up page. You'll see it's quite simple. You just need to put your first and last name in, as well as a valid email address, because you will have to verify that. Then you can choose your role. So just there in terms of that, there's only 5 to choose from. I'm going to put this as developer, and then your company name, as well as your region and your postal code, and the username. This has to be in the form of an email address, but again, like it says here, it doesn't have to be real, just has to be unique, and that's your username. So once you've got all of that fine, just click this box. You can obviously click on the actual agreements here to see in a bit more detail. If you have a read through there and you want to click OK, then all you have to do is click sign me up, and it'll take a couple of minutes just to sort of create your profile, but once you're from there, you'll be able to start using.